안녕하세요, 헤라키친입니다. 오늘은 저녁 메뉴로 좋은 한 그릇 요리, 해물덮밥을 준비했습니다. 만드는 방법이 생각보다 간단해서 누구나 손쉽게 만들 수 있는 요리입니다. 그럼 지금부터 헤라키친 시작합니다.
One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well. I've been lost underneath its spell, just for now, bid to you farewell. Dig my heels into my back, try to forget all the rest. Remember my good intentions. Gotta feed my world up, gotta fight myself enough.
Sleeping door, you're gonna see me there. Just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best with mingle as motto, and then I hear it crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket, then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. You tell me, don't you think this place is looking crowded? And then you whisper in my ear, look, I'm not even sure. My mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
You ask me about my sweater with Santa in space. I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow, it looks like we stand under mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
and then I'm thanking Santa,
This must be a sign,
'cause your funny space sweater
is now full of wine.
You tell me, don't you think this part is very loud? That's why you whisper in my ear.
Let's find another place and leave behind
지금까지
this crowd
시청해주신
and
여러분
make no
감사합니다.
Christmas is here.
맛있는 음식과 음악, 힐링 있는 공간, 헤라키친이었습니다.